wasn't letting me do what I wanted to do. Yes, sir. Up, and I have to be stepping on the tires to get to the boat. So this tool I 2-day shipped it from Amazon. It's not that bad. This tool, I think I paid like, it wasn't, to be honest, it wasn't that much. I think I paid like roughly around like $20. Whenever you guys are putting this back on, it's going to be a specific torque spec for this. So I might have to buy a really good torque wrench. So I got all the head bolts out right now. Every single last one of them is out. Tool that I use is right here. It's a M10, I believe. I'm gonna use the magnet to grab them. So now I could go ahead and kind of pry this up a little bit. This up a little bit, you know. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pry it up just a little. So this pry right underneath here. Pry right underneath here. Now I don't know what else I'm gonna do right now, so we're just gonna clean up the head. These like extra stuff that's on it, gotta clean it up to get it basically prepped for the new head gasket and the new head I'm putting on there. Well, the head is getting cleaned up by the machine shop, so here. Should definitely not time it correctly. Lock it right here. Show Kareem the ropes. Teaching all the young boys the ropes.
Tapping is such a business.
Edit that.
Hold on, don't move now. Don't go no shot with fire. We don't want to be a good shot by your fire. Hold on. Let me get this right.
So this is timed wrong. This right here is timed wrong. You gotta take off. Missing the tensioner. Missing the tensioner is pretty much loose. See that? So you keep shit organized, bro. It's not gonna look for nothing when you're done. See, the tensioner is locked in place right now. The tensioner is locked in place. So these are my little baggies for the screws. All these little screws right here. Alright, so everything right here go together. I gotta stick it all together right there. This little bolt too, we're gonna put it back in here. It's too long, put that tool away and come back from. Okay, back on this side. So now that we got the VVT side back off, we can go ahead and start loosening these bolts. Go ahead. Back out.
And what does that top part do for people who don't know or don't know?
Oh, this is to lock the timing so nothing moves.
There we go.
I have a loosening sequence for this.
Star pattern, I think.
Now you just want to work your way outwards, so.
Yeah.
Same everything. Right here you gotta be super careful with this. You could no more screws, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Just wanna take your time.
Work your way through.
Work your way. Don't try to get it. Don't try to damage where the gasket go. They give you a part where you could pry right here, so use that as an advantage. And right here, see where they give you where you could pry, where you're not fucking with the gasket.
So remember, it's a YouTube video. You gotta keep the content clean for kids.
You can't make it.
So this is the cradle right here for the top. You put this on here. I might order new cams though. Who knows? Like, I don't like how these look. Look like they got a little bit of scoring and marking on it, so I might take care of that too. Yeah, but the rockers is right here. All these gotta stay in the correct spot. So what I'm gonna do is When I'm done, I'm just gonna draw up something real quick, put a cardboard down, and just take them out and put them in each correct spot. I'm just use a piece of marker and draw up something on the cardboard. Screw them back in for me. Alright, these screws for the upper top part. Alright, what's next? This gotta come off. The roller for the timing belt. Size is it? Bring in the 13. Correct. Okay. Bolts again. So I know all these bolts come from the timing place. Alright, so I'm gonna get something, I'm gonna clean these bolts up real quick, put them in something so I know they stay in the spot, get a cardboard, draw this up real quick, and then I should be able to just take these out and just put them in correct spot, spin this around so it's like the same way, facing the engine, the timing, spin it around so the intake is facing me, and then I'm gonna just take these out and just put them in the correct spot. So when I put them back in, they go in the spot they come out originally.